Hello and welcome to the Bakelin channel. I actually lost quite a bit of footage for this one, so thank God it's a really short and easy recipe to follow. All the ingredients are going to be on screen, and I'm just going to be explaining what to do. We're going to start with our cookie layer. Start by creaming your room temperature butter, white sugar, and brown sugar. Once that's creamed, I make a little divot in the mixture to add my egg, vanilla extract, salt, and baking soda. Mix that well. Now slowly add your flour until well combined. Fold in your chocolate chips. I used a relatively small amount, so you can use way more if you really want to. Spread evenly into a greased 9x13 pan. In a saucepan, combine your caramel and your sweetened condensed milk on low to medium heat. For mine to melt, it took like 8 to 10 minutes, and once you're done with that, you can just go ahead and spread that on top of the cookie layer. For the brownies, I actually just used a box mix with the eggs as the directions, replaced my oil with melted butter, and my water with milk, which is a really simple way to make box brownies taste so good. Spread the brownie over the caramel, then a few chocolate chips on top. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. I actually started with 25, but I totally needed 35. You have to let them set for a few hours to settle, and then here is what mine looked like in the morning. They were so good. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.